Hey, how's it going? I'm here with Patrick, Ali.
Yep, Ali, yeah. What's going on, guys? We're a couple of amateurs today, I guess.
Switching from an Android to an iPhone, struggle is real.
For sure.
So definitely looking to do some new things with him.
Yeah. We've had some great conversation. There's a ton of people showing up at this event today. We had a great time. We were able to show some really cool materials, some really cool ideas. And we've definitely been sitting here for about 40 minutes talking.
At least.
And hopefully see some more things from this guy.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So stay tuned, man. A lot of new things to come.
For sure.
Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
guys.
God bless.